Hello my friends, welcome to simplify this math problem, which is square root of 49 over 7 minus square root of 48. In the first step, we start by rationalize this fraction. So we write a square root of 49 over 7 minus square root of 48. And for rationalize this fraction, we multiply this by this conjugate pair. So we multiply this denominator by 7 plus square root of 48. Also, we multiply numerator by this 7 plus square root of 48. And it will be, in here this is in the form of a minus b times a plus b, right? And it will be a square minus b square. So we can write 49 times 7 plus square root of 48 and over a square is 7 square, and minus b square is square root of 48 square, and it will be square root of 49 times 7 plus square root of 48 and over 7 square is 49 and minus, in here this will cancel the square root and it will be 48, and it will be a square root of 49 minus 48 will be 1, so we can write this as 49 times 7 plus the square root of 48. And in next step, as you know, if we have a square root of a times b, we can write this as a square root of a times square root of b. And in here, we write this as a square root of 49 times square root of 7 plus square root of 48. And in here, it will be square root of 49 is 7 times square root of 7 plus square root of 48. And it will be 7 times, in here we have 7 plus square root of 48. We can write 48 as, in here, we can write a square root of 48 as a square root of 16 times 3, right? And square root of 16 is 4, so it will be 4 times the square root of 3, right? So in here, we write this as 4 times the square root of 3. And it will be 7 times, in here we have 7, so we can write this as 4 plus 3, right? And plus 4 times square root of 3. And in next step, it will be 7 square root of, we can write 4 as 2 to power of 2. And in here we can write 3 as square root of 3 to power of 2. And here we have 4. We can write 4 as 2 times 2 and times square root of 3. And this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. And it will be a plus b to power of 2, which is a is 2 and b is the square root of 3, right? So in here, this is equals to 7 times square root of a plus b to power of 2. It will be 2 plus square root of 3 to power of 2, right? And here, this 2 will cancel this square root, and it will be 7 times 2 plus square root of 3. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.